Hey YouTube, so today we're gonna do a little unboxing on this key organizer here. Yeah, let's get to it. So I got this on, what was it, GearBest? It's another Chinese website. Let's see here if we can figure this out. Oops. All right. Okay, so let's try to see if we could figure this out. I don't think it should be that hard, but we'll see. So this is from EDC Gear. Oh, EDC Gear. I'm sorry, it's not EDC Gear. It's EDC Gear. And these are aluminum plates. Well, they will bend, so just to give you a heads up there. Let's do that like that. That. Now, might want to get one of these for each level key. Oops, put it upside down. Off, but it's okay. Second, is that it? Oh, I think I can put two more. We'll see here. So this is my first key organizer, so I'm not sure how they work, or if they work at all. I mean, these are pretty popular, so I'm assuming they do work fairly well. Real? That's one side. Second side. Okay. Let's go ahead and tighten these up. There we go. So of course, if you take one out, it's probably they're all gonna like come out. I don't know. I mean, I guess not. And you just, whatever you gotta use it for. yeah, so I don't know if I'm liking this, honestly. Maybe I need to put some more pressure on these. I don't know. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Like that. Oh, this is gonna be a little. Come on. There we go. A little better. I mean, of course, once you take these out, oh, there it goes. Okay, pretty good. Yeah, put these one of these washers at the ends here, and it'll make it a little more snug and help it stay together instead of they coming all loose and stuff, and you walking around with loose keys everywhere. So then you could put like a key ring here at the end. And you got all your keys. One little organizer. So there you go, guys. That was just a quick look on at this EDC, man, I keep getting that wrong. EDC Gear Key Organizer that I got at gearbest.com. I will go ahead and put the link on the description, and I thank you for watching. Hope you have a great day, a good weekend, and God bless you. Thank you.